Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is for those days when you come home tired and you don't know what to cook, or when you have guests coming over suddenly and you want something special that can be made super quick. Why? Because this dish is made in the pressure cooker. Most of the ingredients used in this dish are available at home generally. The ingredients list is given below, so do check it out. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Let's jump right in. So I placed a pressure pan on medium high and added some ghee to it. Into this goes cumin seeds, which I'm going to let it splutter. Now we need some onions, ginger and garlic for this recipe. So you can use a chopper to chop them to save time. So once the cumin splutters nicely, I'm going to add in the onions, which are finely chopped, and the slit green chilli. Now we'll let the onions cook until they brown. So I'm going to saute it nicely until it turns golden brown. Now it's time to add the minced garlic and ginger. You can also use ginger garlic paste to save more time. So once everything is cooked, I've pureed 2 skinned tomatoes. I'm adding that puree to this. Skinning the tomato gives the curry a nice bright red color. So make sure you skin it before pureeing it. Now it's time to add the spices, which is turmeric, red chilli powder, garam masala and salt to taste, which I'm going to mix nicely into this tomato puree. Next we're going to add a pinch of sugar so that it balances the tomato flavor. Mix everything together, bring it to a boil and then cover it and pressure cook it for 3 whistles on high flame. Meanwhile, we'll just fry the paneer cubes until they are golden brown in color. For this, in a pan I've added oil and I'm going to put in the paneer cubes into this. And we'll fry them until they turn golden brown in color. Make sure you don't over fry them. We just want a slight golden color to appear. So open the pressure cooker once the pressure is released completely and put it back on medium flame. Now bring this gravy to a boil. Once it boils nicely, you can stop at this point and add the paneer to make a simple home-style curry. If you want to make it special, add a tablespoon of fresh cream to this. Mix it well and let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Once it's cooked, add the fried paneer to this mixture. Give it a nice mix once again. Add the mandatory sprinkle of coriander to this and remove from fire, and the paneer curry is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.